BabyBus.
I'm a happy cleaner. Huh? Gotcha. Another one. Somebody's calling for help. Over there.
Help! Help! Somebody help me!
Don't worry. I'll help you.
Wow! The river cleaner, Mr. Platypus! Thank you so much!
No problem.
Huh? A lot of trash is coming this way!
Leave it to me. Little catfish, get to a safe place right away. Watch out!
It's so yummy! Oh, where should I put this? This one?
Hey, Hank! You should put it in the recycling bin.
So that it can be recycled and turned into something useful again.
Oh, I see. Huh?
Huh? Emergency! Kaka, what's the emergency?
Platypus, an egg-laying mammal. He has a duck-like bill, an otter-like body, and a beaver-like tail.
Wow, he looks so unique.
He's good at catching things in the water, so he works as a river cleaner. But today, he got hurt while doing his job. He needs your help.
We're on it! Super Rescue Team, let's go!
Really hurts.
What should I do? Super Rescue Team! Please help Mr. Platypus.
Don't worry.
I'll get Mr. Platypus checked right now. Start analyzing. Here's the result. Mr. Platypus hurt his bill. Platypuses close their eyes in the water, and instead they use their bills to sense the environment and know which way to go. So their bills are very important to them.
Oh, all right, I'll give him treatment right now. Wow! The wound must be around here. Found it! Oh!
Mr. Platypus, please hang in there. Kiki's doing his best to help you.
Okay.
That was close. Huh? Super recovery machine. It's all done.
I feel much better. Thank you so much, Super Rescue Team.
No problem.
Huh? Why is there more and more trash floating down the river?
Huh? What's going on? I'll call the headquarters. Kaka, more and more trash is floating down the river. Please find out what's going on.
Copy that. Investigation started. I found it. Far upriver, a garbage truck is hanging on the edge of the cliff, and the trash keeps falling out of it. It's dangerous, and the truck needs your help. Huh?
That's the reason. I'll be right there. Ask Hank for backup.
Copy that.
Miu Miu, take charge here.
Okay.
Hank, move out now.
Copy that! The Great Hank can solve any problem!
Oh no! Help me!
Super Rescue Team!
Mr. Donkey, hang in there!
We're here to help you.
Thank you, Super Rescue Team! Oh no! It's hazardous waste! If it falls into the river, it'll cause serious pollution! No, 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 no!
Mr. Donkey! He's in danger! Super speed! Mission complete! Mr. Donkey, you're safe now!
Huh?
All the trash is cleared now! Thank you for your help!
You're welcome!
Look, the river's so clean.
I'm so happy. I think I can live a few more years. Yeah.